Help me to improve my English.
Sure, I have an
Or
idea.
say,
I think we should read an article and I can help you with pronunciation. Do you want to do that?
yes, yes.
Okay. I'm going to share my screen, okay? I want you to listen carefully how I read.
Okay,
Listen carefully to how I read, and you will repeat after me.
okay,
Okay, and you try to copy me as best as you can.
okay.
This is
This is
good. This news is from China.
this news is from China.
So the first thing I'm going to bring to your attention is the TH sound. I'm not focusing on their definitions right now. I'm just focusing right now on this sound here. So
Okay,
you're
okay,
going
sound.
to, that's okay. Let me remove my screen and I'm going to
Okay,
show you where to put your tongue. Okay. When you pronounce this, your tongue is going to be the. Look in between my teeth. This.
this, this.
Yes,
Okay,
that's much better. Okay. So your tongue needs to be in between your teeth and then it comes back inside. And then the next word is there. There.
there.
MashaAllah. Good job. Okay, now let me share my screen one more time and we're going to go back to the
Okay,
article here so that we are going to apply what we learned. This news is from China.
this news is from China. This news
This.
is from China.
This.
This,
Good, good.
this.
Yeah. So also, Ahmed, try to copy my speed. Listen
Okay, I will do
carefully
that. I will
one
do
more
that.
time. This news
Okay.
is from China.
This news is from China.
Better, better.